Banga soup is one of the most delicious African soup recipe you need to try today. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite Gallagher chef boss, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your banga soup. So let's get started cooking. So in the pot we're just going to add our palm fruit extract. This can palm fruit extract tastes exactly as the fresh. So if you don't know how to use the fresh, this is another option that you can try and you're going to get the same result. So I'm just going to add it to a pot, add a little bit of water, stir it and then cover it and allow it to start boiling. After 5 minutes, this is what we have. So I'm just going to add my protein and my grounded pepper to it. So I added 2 tablespoons of grounded pepper. And after that, I added my offals. That's my protein. So for you, feel free to use any protein of your choice. Mind you, my protein, they're already cooked. So I'm just going to stir it and then cover it and allow it to boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, this is what we have. So I'm just going to add my dry fish to it. At this stage, I'm just trying to make sure my fish are properly seated inside the pot. Then I'm also going to add my grounded crayfish to it. Then after that, I'm just going to cover it and allow it to boil for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is what we have. So I'm just going to add my seasoning cube and my banga spice to it. Stir together. And by the way, if your soup is too thick, feel free to add a little bit of water to loosen it up according to the texture you want. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it to boil for another 2 minutes. Then after that, I'm just going to add my fresh catfish to this. This is the last protein I'm going to add to this. After adding, I'm just going to shake my soup in order for it to give it a little bit of space. And for the fact that I'm using fresh catfish, I would advise you to be careful so you don't scatter your fish inside your soup. Then at this stage, I'm just covering my fish with the soup so it can all taste like perfectly. Then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to get cooked between 5 to 7 minutes, or rather still until my fish is ready. Then at the end of the day, this is what we have. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to watch my other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.